beautiful day here in Portland. I arrived technically today, but it was like last night, midnight-ish. I'm so excited. Today it's going to be a get ready with me in Portland. I have new products that I want to discover with you guys that I picked up. As always, travel makeup videos are my favorite because you can't bring all of your makeup collection. You only bring a couple of the trusty ones. So I really like watching those, and I hope that you guys like watching them too. So without further ado, let's go. Skincare. What I'm using for toner is the SK-II Facial Treatment Clear Lotion from Etude House, the Moistful Collagen Emulsion. What do you guys feel about my intro? I am in love with it. So my face feels a little sticky. It smells so good. We're going to go into the cream version of the same thing from the same brand. Don't forget your neck. Kind of go upwards. Pure Beauty Oil from Marula, and my skin, like all over my body, is feeling a little dry. So I'll take this and I'll put it onto my elbows and stuff. And hopefully this is one of the products that I use up. I want to try out this. This is from Etude House. This is the Zero Sebum Fresh Gel Cream. This will act as the primer today. It's this like sticky white gel. Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in Red Dahlia. I really like this. It's so soft and it gives a natural tint. So if you're going out and you don't want something too high maintenance, if you bring this, it will keep your lips moisturized and add a little bit of color. This is from Milk. This is a holographic multi-use illuminating stick. Oh, okay, I see it now. I'm staying with my brother. The older I get, the more I realize how much I enjoy family. Milani Concealer and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer 05 Warm Beige. So my hope in putting the holographic stick underneath is that it just kind of shine through, because I don't want that like all out like alien like fashion show look, you know. I just want it to be a little like, ooh, is something there. The NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in shade medium 1.5 Macadamia. There's a little bit of a dark something there. I never like realized that that was something to be like ashamed of until I watched YouTube. Blend it out. Ooh, it instantly looks better. So after that, we'll go in with a new product today. This is from Honest. This is the Truly Exciting Cream Blush. The packaging looks like this. Super cool. It feels heavy and expensive. There's a little bit of a magnetic clasp. The mirror is quite good. Let's see. There you are. The blush. I don't see much, so let's use my fingers. Dab it there and then blend it out. It doesn't do much for me. Like, I'm not excited about it. I've been really into putting on highlighter before powder. Today we're using ColourPop. This is my first ColourPop product that's not liquid lipstick. Super Shock Cheek Wisp. I'm so excited, man. Oh, it's a cream texture, which you guys probably knew. I'll put it a little there. Whoa, I love it so much. And with the remaining, we'll put it on our brow bone. That will go in with our brows. We're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown. Guess what? I also don't have a spoolie, so this is like so bad. I'll take this, use it as a brush, a spoolie. It's a little disappointing, TBH. Better than nothing, right? After brows, I will powder my entire face with the No Sebum Blur Powder again. The Bonnie Laco Shading Palette. So I squished the brush. Hank needs to go on a walk, I think. Let's go into Hot Mama. Just a little flush of color. This is what it looks like. Just press that along the outside. Maybelline Master Precise Skinny from the pupil and outwards. A little bit under. And we can smudge that out. Set our brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Wet n Wild Mega Liner. So that's one done. I'm gonna try to even it out and I'll be back. So I said I'd be back with even eyeliner, but I lied. I'm a liar. I'm back with uneven liner. But like I said before, as long as no one gets too close to you, you'll be fine. Hank, stop. I'm trying to film. Maybe one day I'll master eyeliner, but today's definitely not that day. Hank! Okay, stay there. He's on my lap right now. He's a little boy. Boop. Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara Hydrofuge. It's supposed to be waterproof. This is something that I'll throw away out before I leave Portland. Because I got it in Bangkok and that was during the summer. So we gotta part ways, buddy. I'm really gonna try improving my eyeliner skills because they're like distant relatives. They're not even sisters. I like this one. This is cute. Tried to fix it. Probably made it worse. To distract from the horrendous eyeliner situation, we're going to use the Too Faced Waterproof 24-Hour Shadow Liner. Is that distracting you from my eyeliner? I hope so. Persian Rose perfume from Pacifica. 100% vegan and cruelty free. And I'm really into like the whole like traveling somewhere and then using a new perfume. Because then I can like remember that place through the perfume. Tatouage Couture Matte Stain from YSL. Yves Saint Laurent. Donovan got this for me for my birthday, so I'm so excited to try it. Oh my god, this is so cool. The applicator is so cool. It's like hard and like plasticky. It's amazing. I like the color. I do look a little crazy, so I'm gonna blot it off. Oh, fuck. So that was it. I'm quite disappointed in how this turned out, but I'm going to edit it and upload it because I already filmed it. Hank, boy, come up here. Hank! Yeah. Look, this is Hank. He's my buddy. We love each other. Please don't eat my makeup. Yeah, so that's Hank. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the intro, give it a thumbs up. If you like Hank, subscribe. If you think I can do better with my eyeliner, please comment something. Bye.